What's up guys, my name is Samuel, your Spanish teacher from Spanish Essentials, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to conjugate irregular verbs in Spanish. Whoa, hold up. There's irregular verbs in Spanish? Well, yes there is, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it. We're just going to be focusing on the yo form for today. So the verbs that we're going to be working on today is hacer, salir, tener, and traer. There you go, traer. And before that we get into this video, make sure that you like and subscribe so that you're able to know a bit more about Spanish. So let's go here. So for these 4 verbs that I'm going to be showing you guys is for the yo form, right? Yo means I in Spanish. So all these verbs I'm going to be showing you guys is going to be ending with go. So this should be a bit easier for you guys. So the first verb I'm going to be showing you guys is the verb tener. The verb tener means to have in Spanish. So how do you conjugate the verb tener in the present? Well, as I say all the time, what you have to do is you have to take out the ER and you have to just replace it. But what are we going to replace it with? Well, we're just going to put go, right? So it's going to be tengo, yo tengo. So let's see an example here of how you're going to use it. So if you want to say I have a car, you're not going to say yo tengo un carro. You're going to say yo tengo un carro. I know lots of people who are learning Spanish, they always make that mistake. You think that all the time you're just going to put an O and that's all. No. In this case, you're going to be putting G-O, go, alright? So it's going to be yo tengo. So now the next verb is the verb salir. So now the verb salir means to leave or to leave from a place. So what you're going to do with the verb salir is you're going to be putting go at the end too. So remember, you take out the IR from salir and you're going to add go. So what is it going to be? Well, it's going to be yo salgo. So if you're going to say I'm leaving this country, you can say salgo de este país. Yo salgo de este país, right? So you see here it's going to be go, right? Not yo salgo. No, it's yo salgo, right? So now for me, I just think that just to put the go at the end, it kind of makes sense, For me, it kind of just makes sense. Because when you're putting an O at the end of everything and you're just saying yo salgo, it kind of just doesn't make any sense for me. I don't know for you guys, but I know for me it does not make any sense. So now the third verb we're going to be looking at is the verb hacer. So for the verb hacer, what you're going to do is you're not going to just take out the ER and then put go, right? It's not going to be yo go. Honestly, I don't understand that, right? You're not going to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to take out the SER and you're just going to put go at the end, right? So it's not going to be yo aso or yo ago. I don't even know how you're going to conjugate that. Yo hago, right? So let's look at an example with the verb hacer. If you want to say, I'm doing presentations, you can say, yo hago presentaciones. And you can see here, it's not going to be yo aso, not yo hago. I don't know what it is. No, it's not going to be that. It's going to be yo hago. Now the last verb is the verb traer. So the verb traer means to bring something. Obviously, you can say the verb llevar, right? But you can also say traer. So in this case, you're going to take out the ER and you're going to be adding IGO, okay? So it's going to be IGO. So what you're going to say is yo traigo. So let's see an example with this. So if you're going to say I'm bringing the food, you can just say yo traigo la comida. Obviously, there's a lot of other verbs like the verb oír where you say yo oigo, and also the verb venir when you say yo vengo, right? There's many other verbs like that, like those. But these are some of the main verbs I wanted to talk about with you today. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more videos like these, and feel free to comment down below what you think about this video. Keep learning, keep speaking, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.